Hello everyone, I'm Matt Brocklebank, author of the Living a Blissful Life blog at HealthyPlace, and today I'll talk about how I manage the summer heat and humidity to avoid excessive fatigue and feelings of irritability. So the rainy season here in Japan is pretty much over. Hopefully that will mean no more endless days of rain, but it also means that summer is right around the corner. And summer here is just really hot and humid. As someone who enjoys going outside, being outdoors, climbing, hiking, it gets me down. Just not being able to go out because it's so hot and there's quite a high risk of heat stroke. It's just no fun going out at all. It's only a little bit better in the evening. The temperature doesn't drop very much at night. So trying to sleep without using an air conditioner, it just makes it worse. It leads to fatigue, agitation, irritability. So making it through the summer heat really means modifying my lifestyle in several ways. So first of all, I don't go out, I don't do any hiking, I don't do any climbing or anything that involves being outdoors for long periods. Instead, I spend more time indoors doing things like stretching that perhaps I usually neglect a bit. Luckily, I can go down to the indoor climbing gym, which is all air conditioned. And if I do have to go out during the day, always make sure I wear a hat and long sleeves, just to prevent excessive exposure to the sun. Also staying very well hydrated with plenty of fluids, that's very important. And as I mentioned, at night, keeping bedroom environment comfortable is pretty much essential to preventing exhaustion. So that means regularly using the air conditioner rather than trying to tough it out, which is what I always used to do. It also helps to remember that summer heat isn't here forever. It will pass, and the cooler months will come. And if I'm really struggling to get by, I can always talk to people. It helps me get through. And on the plus side, looking forward to the end of summer, there are lots of brightly coloured festivals and pretty fantastic fireworks displays. Again, it's just something to look forward to at the end. So being aware of my needs and making changes where appropriate, and also being able to ask for support from friends around me, if necessary, helps me get through the summer weather and maintain my overall health and well-being. Thanks for listening.